Hey, it's Arie here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, I'm actually very excited for this one because the new update for the 4% program actually just released just recently, and I decided to do a video on it to pretty much show you exactly what has changed in this new update, this new 4.0 update, and I'm just super pumped to get into this. So anyways, welcome back to another video on my channel. If this is the first time that you're on my channel, I'm always putting out new videos on a regular basis, Monday through Friday, that will show you how to do affiliate marketing, how to grow an online business, and how to create a passive income right online from the comfort of your own home. So if you enjoy those kinds of videos, make sure that you hit the subscribe button down below and tick that bell icon so you can be notified whenever there is a brand new video on my channel. But without further ado, let's actually get into exactly what this program is all about. So I've actually been a member of 4% for a little over a year, actually. I initially joined back in like February of 2019. And just recently, they released the new 4.0 version. So the entire platform, the entire website has been completely redesigned, has a completely new look. And I also want to show inside like what exactly has changed. Instead of just the whole the design of the website. So this is actually an update that they've actually been working on. Vic, the owner, actually has been working on for I think over like a year or two. He's actually been talking about this quite a lot in the Facebook group. He's been making a lot of announcements on what this is going to be all about, and for a while he was really talking about it for a while, and I was kind of like, okay, like, is this thing, being released yet? But he finally released the 4.0 update. So the long-awaited update is now finally out, and I want to show you exactly what this new program is all about. So I'm currently on the website right here. This is what it looks like. So it looks very nice, very professional, and it pretty much goes over, here what it's all about. So, talks about money and finance, influence and persuasion, success mindset, e-commerce, all the type of stuff. And they've got currently right now the latest videos from, I think this is the 4% YouTube channel, and also some other like free videos like that are inside of the 4% program anyway. So this is the owner right here, Vic Stryzus. He's the guy who created the 4%. But what I actually want to do right now is I want to log into this program right here and show you exactly what is inside. So this way you can, of course, get a much better understanding of, what this is all about, and then you can decide for yourself if this is for you or not. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and log in real quick. So one sec. All right, and now I'm logged in. So right here, I'm on the main dashboard here. And right here it shows these are the main two programs that they currently have. So this is the Affiliate Marketing Academy, and then there's also Internet Traffic Academy. So I previously did a video review on this a while back, actually. I want to say like a few months ago, about the 4% Success Challenge. That's actually now been put under the new Affiliate Marketing Academy. So the 4% Challenge is actually inside of the Affiliate Marketing Academy, and the Affiliate Marketing Academy as a whole comes with the 4% Success Challenge, which is their main step-by-step training is what they have. What they're also going to be having later on is these live streams where I think it's like every week or something like that. Vic, the owner, is going to be hosting live coaching for his members, where you could, of course, learn more, every single week when you, of course, like log in here. Currently, right now, if I go into here, it doesn't show that they currently have really anything. They just have like this. So it looks like they have an event scheduled for April 16th. So that's going to be their first live event that they have. But I'm actually going to close that out real quick. And then they're also going to have this affiliate offers marketplace. So they're gonna select like handpicked products and offers that you of course promote and sell. And then right here is the 4% Success Challenge, which is actually the program that I reviewed a few months ago. And if you want to check out my review for the 4% Challenge, I will include like a card or like a link down below where you can of course go back and check out this review. I pretty much went over exactly what the 4% Challenge is all about. And I've actually recently started going through this again myself because something that I've actually learned with a lot of these programs is that because, this is a very in-depth program, you're not going to necessarily pick up every single idea, from the challenge, when you go through it, just one time, oftentimes it's best to go through it multiple times. And this way you can get a much better understanding of, what it really takes to build a long-term business online. So this isn't meant to be something where, you just watch, like, you go through like 30 sessions and immediately you're just, getting, instant results like that. It is something where, it does require you to have pretty much like a long-term mindset to really get those long-term results online. So this program, how the 4% challenge works, and I might be doing like another review on this very soon as well. But I'll give like a brief recap on what this is all about. So this is a step-by-step training, very in-depth training that shows you how to build a long-term stable business through the concept of affiliate marketing. So that's really what it's all about there, and it's broken down into 30 sessions that you can of course follow. You can go through them at your own pace. And there's one, the whole idea is that you go through one every single day. So they call them like these success pills. So the ideal is, you take one a day, and then of course, as you go through the action steps that are, right below here, then it helps you to become the person that you need to be in order to really get those long-term results. So I've actually really enjoyed going through this program. Throughout my time that I've, of course, been in it. Of course, I'm still going through it and learning, quite a lot along the way. But I did recently do another video where I pretty much showed how I made my very first like $722, in like an entire day. Also, if you want to actually check out that video as well, I'll also be sure to include like a card to that or like a link down below if you want to, of course, go and check that out. But I also want to talk about the other main program that they have in here, which is called Internet Traffic Academy. Now, Internet Traffic Academy is this program right here. If I click on Access Training, so what this originally was, it was just called Internet Traffic Mastery, and it was this training right here. It was just this, but now it's been completely updated. The entire training right here has been completely updated, completely revamped, and more up to date. And now it includes not just training about how to get targeted traffic to the offer that you're promoting, but also it goes very in depth into how to build your list, how to do communication and copywriting. So each of these pillars are worth easily worth thousands of dollars, and you get it pretty much all in one right here. They've got also conversion mastery and then tribe building mastery. So these all these pillars right here, as well as like the exclusive live streams, these could all be separate packages that could easily sell for thousands of dollars, because there's just so much value inside of this training, and it's quite a lot that you're getting for in terms of what you're actually paying for. So that's a very in-depth training that, of course, since this is rather new, I have not fully gotten the chance to go through all of it yet. I'm still going through Internet Traffic Mastery currently, but I do intend to do another review on this program later on down the road. But last thing I want to mention is the full ecosystem in terms of what they have on this program right here. So the main two programs that they currently have are called Affiliate Marketing Academy, and then there's also Internet Traffic Academy as well. So these two are the main two programs that you'd of course need in order to really build a long-term business online. It really shows you step by step how to really build up a long-term business. And they've also got other trainings in here like SEO mastery. They've got Facebook fan page domination, Facebook PPC secrets, and these are hosted by Adrian Morrison and Anthony Morrison. So you may have heard of these names before. I know Anthony Morrison is a very big name, but what I really like about this program is it's not just like like one specific course that you can get on how to build up a business online, but it actually hosts tons of other programs in here. Like they have a program on how to build up a website, how to build out your email list. So there's a ton of different trainings in here from different leaders inside of the internet marketing industry, and a few other leaders in here. Like I know Les Brown has his own course in here that you of course go through. They've got like entire training on taxes and business structure. So there's quite a lot inside of this program right here, and it's definitely one that I highly recommend checking out. So if you were looking to build a long-term business online, you really want to have like your own online business where you could be working on your own terms, the 4% program is definitely one that I highly recommend checking out, especially the Success Challenge, or the Affiliate Marketing Academy, which is what it's now been rebranded to. So if you want to check this out and you want to learn more about what this is all about, I will include a link down below where you can, of course, check out the Affiliate Marketing Academy for yourself. And anyways, that's pretty much what I'll go over there. But anyways, that's pretty much my entire thoughts that I want to give on the new 4% 4.0 update. So I hope you found lots of value in this video. Hope you, of course, this of course helped you make an informed decision. But anyways, if you want to learn more about how to do affiliate marketing long term, I will include a link down below, and that will give you access to my free training that will show you how to really build up a long-term business in the long term. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this video, and take care.